Okay, I'm performing a heart examination. Is it okay if I put the stethoscope on your skin? And is it okay if I open the top of your gown? Thank you. And can you shield down and out for me? That's perfect. Okay, so we're palpating for the aortic, the pulmonic, herbs, tricuspid, and then I'm gonna have you guard, close the top, open the bottom, and we're gonna guard up, and we're gonna come over to mitral. Perfect. I'm gonna have close this part. I'm gonna open the top again. Go ahead and shield down and out for me. I'm gonna palpate your carotid artery up on the neck. Okay, I'm gonna close this top one, and then if you could shield up for me. Thank you very much. Perfect. And close that bottom, open the top again. Go ahead and shield for me. Palpate the carotid artery. Oh, sorry. Okay, close the top and the bottom. Come back up and do the mitral valve. Perfect. Okay. Sweet. Thank you very much.